Hi guys, welcome back. This is Turning Back the Clock. So guys, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen again. I've got a new recipe for you today, and it's something I've never really tried before. It was an idea given to me by my sister-in-law, who's also donated some of today's ingredients, some really nice homegrown courgettes. So we should be using them in today's recipe. So basically, on one of my previous recipes, I did a seafood linguine. And in that, obviously, we had linguine. The thing with pasta is I've begun to find that the pasta actually makes me quite bloated. So what I'm trying today is I'm trying a similar dish, but instead of using pasta, I'm going to use the spiralised courgette instead. So let's see how it goes. So guys, this is the spiraliser I'll be using today. I've managed to pick this one up off the internet for about 20 quid, so they're not too expensive. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ends off a couple of courgettes, and I'm going to run these through the spiraliser to make a courgette spaghetti. So I'm going to add the courgette spaghetti into the wok. I'm going to fry it up, and I'm going to add about 200 grams of tomato pasata to make a base for the sauce. So making sure I keep stirring the spaghetti as it's cooking, I'm then going to add some Cajun Spice to give it a little bit of flavour. So next, I'm going to get the grill nice and hot, and I'm going to use some 1 cal spray so that the prawns don't stick, and I'm then going to add 150 grams of raw king prawns. So as the prawns are cooking, I'm going to add some garlic granules, and I'm going to keep moving them around so they don't stick and burn, and this will just give them a little bit more flavour. So with the grill nice and hot, these prawns are only going to take about 5 minutes to cook, so hopefully that should be just in time for the courgettes to be finished as well. So now that's all cooked, the only thing that's left to do is to plate it up, and it's ready to go. So there we go guys, that is garlic king prawns with a Cajun courgette spaghetti. Really tasty, really nice. It's worked out really well. I'm really pleased with this one, and it actually only works out to be 202 calories, so it's a really good low fat, low calorie, tasty meal. So there we go guys, that was garlic king prawns with courgette spaghetti with a Cajun sauce. Really nice. Obviously it hasn't got the same, the courgette hasn't got the same texture as the linguine, but it works as a really good replacement, and it's really tasty, and obviously it maintains its consistency as well, so I'm really pleased with that. So guys, that's about all we've got time for today. As always, if you are liking the videos, please subscribe to the channel. Click the thumbs up in the bottom corner and leave a comment in the comments box below. Cheers, see you again.